In this video, we will look over Accounting 1, Notes, Decrease of Notes Payable Batch menu. You can use this menu along with Decrease of Notes Payable menu in the left menu when the promissory notes that you issued for accounts payables to your vendors have matured and when you've paid the amount in cash or by bank transfer. However, one difference between the two menus is that in Decrease of Notes Payable menu, you can process each promissory note one at a time. And in Decrease of Notes Payable Batch menu, you can batch process multiple notes at once. In the displayed notes list, for the notes that have matured and paid in cash or by bank transfer, you can enter decrease amount in the list, and you can select them and use Payments Journal button at the bottom. By using Payment Journal button, you can enter the amount paid for the selected notes. And Decrease Only Notes button allows you to apply the selected amounts only to the Reports of Notes module and not to the general reports of the accounting module. And therefore, if you want to apply the payment of the selected notes to the general accounting books as well, click Payments Journal button. Then I will select All and decrease full amount and click Payment Journal button at the bottom. Then Create Payment Journal window will pop up. And in Bank Account Number Out field, you can select Withdrawal Account. So if you paid the amount in cash, enter cash account. And if you paid with your bank account, select the corresponding checking account. Then in Remarks field, select whether to enter the same remarks as entered in the increase slips of the selected notes payable, or whether to mark the note number of the selected notes, or whether to manually enter remarks. And next, in Batch Import Bundling Settings field, if you select By Line option, the rows selected in the list will be entered in the Payment Journal voucher by each row. And if you select By Customer by Account Code option, the selected rows will be bundled based on the same vendor and the same account code, and then entered in the Payment Journal voucher. And after selecting By Customer by Account Code option, if you manage funds by each department or project, you can select the corresponding option in Type field and mark the department and project for each row entered in the Payment Journal. I will select By Line option and apply. Then in Payment Journal screen, if you click Additional Info field, you can verify that the note number that corresponds to each row has been entered.